Welcome to March 2017 monthly report for TecnimontHQC Polypropylene Unit Package 7 and Flexi High Density Polyethylene Unit Package 27. Package 7 is located at the center of an integrated refinery and petrochemical complex RAPID project. P7 Spheripol and Spherizone polypropylene production units are under construction in Lot 6-2, while temporary construction facility will be erected in Lot 9-2A. An accommodation camp in Lot K. In November 2016, Package 27 has been awarded to TCM-HQC joint venture. The Flexi HDPE unit will be erected in Lot 6-4A, while temporary construction facilities and camp will be erected near the existing P7 facilities. Piling has already started in the process areas, almost 1 month in advance on the baseline schedule, with 16 piles already installed at the cutoff date. Package 7, as of March 24th, the overall progress of P7 project is 38.9% against planned 38.5%, ahead of schedule by 0.4%. Engineering progress is 84.1%, 0.4% ahead of schedule. In the present phase, the focus of engineering team is mainly on the issue for construction for civil works, steel structures production, and piping refabrication. 93% of concrete and 95% of steel structures drawings have been issued. Balance is expected by first decade of April 2017. For piping isometric, necessary to feed mechanical subcontractor prefabrication, a huge production in the last month has been achieved thanks to the additional piping resources mobilized and injected into the Milan task force from Tecnomont Indian branch. From both Beijing and Milano Operating Center, the total amount of isometric drawings issued for above-ground piping has reached 46% of the total, while 100% of the isometric drawing for underground metallic piping has been issued. The 90% 3D model review has started in Milano Operating Center. This fundamental step will be the last verification point of the project and will eventually consolidate the design of the plant. For procurement activities, the progress is 59.8%, 0.2% ahead of schedule. Almost all the purchase orders for itemized equipment have been placed, and the purchasing of bulk material is ongoing, following the completion of the detail engineering. Material delivery at site is progressing. Around 485 tons of piping for above-ground lines and 680 tons of coated carbon steel pipe for underground has been received at site. Almost 1,360 tons of steel structures for the interconnecting pipe rack are also available at site, while the first itemized equipment have been delivered. Site activities. Camp facilities are substantially complete, and the final authorization for occupancy are expected in the next days. Workers' accommodation will start in the first days of April. On main process unit, the construction progress is 8.0%, ahead of schedule by 0.5%. The civil work progress is 29.7%, ahead of schedule by 1.0%. In Spheripol and Spherizone areas, the boring of equipment foundations is almost completed, and the concrete elevation activities of pipe rack and process structures are ongoing. In the east area of the plot, the erection of the walls of field auxiliary rack room and substation are ongoing, while the erection of the columns for extrusion building and the blending silos is proceeding. On the west side of the plot, the excavation of underground cooling water piping and the relevant pits has started. For steel structure erection, the progress achieved at the cutoff date is 7.1%, 6.7% ahead of schedule. The main ongoing activities are the erection of the interconnecting pipe rack, which was started in the last month, together with the teal unit racks, which was started in the actual reporting period. The pre-assembly of the structure in the temporary laydown area, located in Lot 60A, allowed a significant increase of the efficiency. Piping work started with the welding of underground cooling water lines, while prefabrication of process large bore lines will start soon. The material and drawing for around 4,000 welding dia inches have been released to the mechanical subcontractor to start the prefabrication. As on March 24th, the overall site workforce is 596 for direct and indirect workers at the monthly cutoff.